On the behalf of our Haitian people, we salute all the body of the United States of America, especially to the body of legislative, the executive, and the Justice Department, who has agreed to put together an effective the Biden administration concerning our people in Haiti to flee from the chaos and the political problem we are facing. And we have been pushed by God. And I've been seeing a lot of places I went, seeing the people that Biden have brought here, including those who coming from Mexico, Brazil, and the other country who pass through, and the help and the consideration, the privilege and the resource, the Biden administration. I know, but President Biden could have done none of this without all of you, Republican, and all the body of the United States. On the behalf of my people, we thank you. My spirit being troubled me to say thank you for allowing the most fortunate, some of my people, to come here, and you have provided much help I could have ever thought that you could have. We want to thank you in spite of our differences and the misuse and misbehavior of our leaders in Haiti, and the source, the money you have already invested, especially during the earthquake, and nothing has been done. Thank you, President Biden, and all around you who have taken the step to put this with all my heart in the behalf of Haitian people. I know that you could have done much better, but I won't mention none of this. I just take the time to thank you. To thank you for seeing the kids and the family and the people in need. And I can't explain how to really express myself, but I say thank you to the Biden administration and all who are put together, and all workers who have the money, who has gone through this to this resource. I thank you, and may God bless America indeed for the great job He has done, not only to our people, but to those who are going through some stuff like us. And we have much to say. I have much I could have asked for, but the Lord has put in my heart to mention the Biden administration, to bring on the table and recognition of the things, the good deeds you have done to my people. You have provided shelter and footsteps. You have even paid hotel for them. And I know this is a big resource. This is a big effort being taken, step on your behalf. With all my heart, we thank you. We are grateful to all the body of the United States. God bless you. God bless you, America. God bless you. Thank you again.